Happy New Year guys, it's Linh, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna start 2018 with another apartment tour. This time I will show you an Airbnb apartment in Shinjuku, Tokyo. If you haven't seen my previous apartment tour yet, check it out from the link at the top right corner. Here's the entrance of the apartment and let's get inside. First, I'll lock the door because I feel more secure that way. Here's how the apartment looks like from the entrance. It is a small but very cozy place. I love how the host mainly used items in brown, beige, and white color to decorate the room. Before getting in, I'll change into house sleeper. You may have known this already, but in Japan there's a separation between outside and inside the house, so we always have to take off our shoes at the door. This is how the entrance area looks like. On the right side, there is a small washing machine, and on the left side is a shoes cabinet. Let's take a look at the washing machine area. As you can see, the machine is quite compact and seems to be enough to be used by 2 to 3 people at the same time. Behind the washing machine, there are also umbrellas for you to use in case it rains. On top of the washing machine, there is a shelf with detergents, fabric softener, some extra toilet paper, and tissue box. Okay, let's have a quick Japanese lesson. Now I'll show you the shoes cabinet. There are plenty of space inside, and you don't really need that much space unless if you actually live here for a while. Right next to the shoes cabinet is the bathroom. This type of bathroom is known as unit bath in Japan. With this kind of bathroom, the toilet, bathtub, and sink are all located in one area. It's a great way to save space. When you take shower, just close this curtain to keep everything else from getting wet. The host has already prepared all of the basic stuffs for you, including shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and also toilet cleaner. On the door of the bathroom, there's a small hanger for you to hang clothes or towel. You can easily lock the door from inside like this. Moving on, let's go to the kitchen. The kitchen is a bit narrow, but the size is just enough to cook some simple stuffs. On the right side, there's a cupboard with some bowls, dishes, and cups inside. There are also frying pan, cooking pot, cutting board, and utensils for you to use. There's one IH stove and I'm gonna show you how to use it. First, you press this button to turn the power on. Then you press this yellow button and you can start adjusting the temperature of the heat. This button is for frying food and this one is for boiling water. Under the stove, you'll find the switch for the kitchen light and the switch for the ventilation fan. There is a mini fridge as well. Inside the cabinet under the sink, you can find knife, scissors, garbage bag, extra dishwashing liquid, and shampoo. Next to the kitchen, there's another big fridge. On the top of the fridge is a microwave, rice cooker, and water boiler. The microwave has 2 modes, strong and weak. After choosing the suitable mode, just turn this to the number corresponding to the amount of time that you want to heat your food up for. For the rice cooker, the easiest way to use is just to plug it in and press this button. This water boiler is also simple to use, just press this button to turn it on and off. The bedroom area is next to the kitchen. It's not that spacious, but it has a home-like vibe. There is a sliding glass door leading to the balcony and a window on the left side of the wall. These provide the room with plenty of natural light during the day. The host also prepares towel and hair dryer for you, so if you stay here, you don't really need to bring anything. This apartment has TV and portable Wi-Fi as well. Normally, you can find the name and the password of the Wi-Fi at the back of the router. The most interesting thing in this room is this music player. You can press here to turn it on, then change it to the channel you like and adjust the volume here. There are so many different types of music, including classic, Japanese music, Korean music, and even radio. There's a closet next to the sliding door with vacuum cleaner, extra futon, and blankets inside. There are some hangers there, so you can use for hanging your clothes or laundry. If you wash your clothes, you can hang the clothes outside in the balcony. This is the remote control for the air conditioner. You can switch between cooling and heating mode, adjust the temperature, change the amount of wind in each direction, and so on. It's kind of cold today, so I'll just turn it on for now. This is the remote control for the ceiling light. With this, you can turn the light on and off, adjust the brightness easily from anywhere inside the room. I love how the small details are paid attention to, and all of the stuffs inside the room go well together. This Airbnb apartment was self-check-in type, so before this video ends, I just want to show you how I got the key. I was given 2 passcodes, one for the mailbox and one for the key container. After getting the key container out of the mailbox, I have to roll the wheels to the right number. Then I slide this black button to the opposite side to open the container and get the key out. That is the end of the apartment tour. Don't forget to press like if you think this video was helpful for you. Subscribe if you want to watch more videos about Japan. I post new video every Monday. Thank you so much for watching my videos in 2017. Have a great holiday and let's have an awesome 2018 together. See ya!